Alright, I've got a box of Himalayan silk PLA in my filament box, sitting on this little scale, and it's weighing in at 938.2 grams. Now I'm over here at this modified food dehydrator. I'm gonna set this spool in there. Whoop. Tearing down the world. It's sitting on 35 degrees Celsius. I let it warm up a little bit before I got it started. We're gonna let that sit there for maybe 6 hours and compare it to how the S1 Sunlu and the S2 Sunlu, see how it works in comparison to those. Be back in a bit. Alright, this is the silk PLA that we had in the modified food dehydrator, and we've lost down to 936.7 grams. So and I don't know exactly how long it ran, because we had a little lightning storm and I wasn't here, and evidently the power flashed because the food dehydrator turned itself off. So but still, it ran about 6 hours. That's when the lightning storm came up. It was about 6 hours after it started. So that's pretty respectable for something. It worked just about as well as the Sunlu S2.